Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remotely start your Nissan Rogue. First, ensure your vehicle is in park and all doors are securely closed. Locate the remote start button on your key fob. It often has a circular arrow icon. You will press the lock button once, then immediately press and hold the remote start button. This simple sequence will get your Rogue ready to go, even from a distance. To activate the remote start feature, begin by pressing the lock button on your key fob one time. Then, within 5 seconds, press and hold the remote start button. Keep holding it for at least 2 seconds until your vehicle's exterior lights flash. This confirms the signal was received. The engine will then start, and your climate control system will begin warming or cooling the cabin to your last setting. Once remotely started, your Nissan Rogue's engine will run for a duration of 10 minutes. If you need more time, you can extend this by repeating the remote start process. However, remember not to exceed 2 consecutive remote start cycles. After 2 cycles, you must manually start the vehicle from inside. Also, the vehicle must be unlocked with the key fob before you can enter and drive. After your Nissan Rogue has been remotely started, the next step is to unlock the doors using your key fob. Once inside, simply press the brake pedal. Then, press the engine start/stop button on your dashboard. This action transfers control from the remote system to the vehicle's internal ignition. You are now ready to shift into gear and drive your Nissan Rogue comfortably and conveniently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.